this will be the spot. After cutting some firewood, it's time for lunch, so cooking up some brats. And tonight I'll have antelope steaks. So a little bit about camp. I live at about 7,000 feet, but I came up to the National Forest here. Probably sitting around 8,000 right now. It's Memorial Day weekend. All the snow is melted. They just opened these roads up on yesterday. So I'm excited to be back up here and get to camp, and I'll be back next week riding dirt bikes and such. But I've never camped in this exact spot. I've just driven by here a bunch of times during elk season and figured now is time to give it a go. So far, lots of firewood here. Saw a hawk and some squirrels. Pretty nice spot. Wood pile's getting bigger. While I was gathering firewood, I noticed all these mushrooms over here, but I don't know my fungi very well, so I don't know if these are edible or poisonous or otherwise, but cool to see them anyway. Well, I think I'm done cutting firewood for today. I have more than enough for tonight, and probably some for tomorrow too. So, well, it's mid-afternoon. As you can see, I've donned the big hat because I'm trying to avoid getting sunburned like I did 2 weeks ago at the lake. Now we have fire. I don't know if you can hear it, but the frogs are really going crazy. I'm camped out right by this kind of marsh creek area. And they've been going all day. Now it's time to just kick back for a little while and cook dinner shortly. Fire's going good and the antelope steaks are cooking, so be eating dinner here really soon. Well, the antelope steaks turned out really good. I actually shot this antelope about 10 miles east of here, where the forest meets the plains, so locally harvested antelope. Well, the sun's gone down behind the mountains, so stay up a little bit longer and then head to bed. Let this fire die down. Morning. It's a little after 6 and I slept alright, so I'm just having a muffin for breakfast and I'm going to pack up my gear and hike up the creek and see if I can find a fishing spot this morning. So it's pretty nice out. A little cold, but can't complain. Lots of birds this morning and lots of flowers blooming here. It's really green right now. It's really nice. Just got back from my little hike. I didn't find any fish, but lots of birds. Red-winged blackbirds, starlings, ducks, geese, even saw blue herons. So it was pretty cool. Just started up the fire. The hike really got me nice and warm, so now I'm just going to hang out for a while and enjoy the scenery.